Naija Senate don call for urgent action to address the rising insecurity for Benue State. The Senate make this call on Wednesday as dem urge the federal government to set up military base for Benue Northwest Senatorial District to stop more attacks by herdsmen. The Senate also request make dem send troops go the affected communities to bring back peace after recent attack wey kill 4 people and destroy millions of naira worth of property. Senator Titus Zam, wey represent Benue Northeast, presents the motion wey lead to all these decisions.
Urgent need for the federal government to deploy troops to immediately restore law and order in Gwe West Local Government area of Benue State. The Senate knows that the peace-loving people of Garuwa community in the formation local government area of Benue State were invaded by bandits masquerading as herders on Monday, 10th March 2025, resulting in the killing of 4 persons. Also knows that yesterday, irate youths took to the streets in protest against the continued killing of the people and government's seeming inability to protect them. The Senate may further note that the youth, in anger and frustration, burnt down the Gwe West Local Government Secretariat, the palace of the paramount ruler of the local government area, my private residence, and houses of other prominent sons in the local government area, accusing us of inability to safeguard the community. Aware that I have on several occasions moved motions and presented bills on this subject matter, including bill on open grazing prohibition and ranches establishment, which is awaiting public hearing.
After small debate, the Senate called the National Emergency Management Agency (NEMA) to send relief materials to the people where they are affected. Even though Minority Leader Abba Moron show concern about Governor Hayasit's alias silence and inaction on top the matter, the Senate still urged the Benue State government to enforce open grazing and ranching law to avoid more clashes.
I rise to second this motion on a very, very sad note that the continued silence and inaction on the part of the government of Benue State is snowballing into the citizens resorting to attacking elected representatives and residents of the various communities under siege.
The Senate can still tell in Committee on National Security, Police, Navy, Air Force, Defense and Army to go visit the affected communities, show sympathy to the victims and bring back reports on the progress.
Once again, let me thank the distinguished Senator Zam and also sympathize with the good people of Benue State, particularly Gwe West local government area, over this attack, the killings and destruction of properties. And hope that with the resolutions of today, that succor will come to the people there, and the military base will be established in order to save lives and forestall future occurrences. So in line with prayer 1, we will now move to observe a minute silence for those who perish in this unnecessary crisis. So we may rise.
Make una not forget, say, as we see them, na so we dey talk 'em. We not to take blame. Kata Ojesele reporting for TMC TV.